Going on, guys? So this is my voiceover for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I didn't trade Thursday, and then you'll see me live trade Friday. And boy, let me tell you, Friday history repeats itself. Mistakes were fucking made. One mistake was made that set me back for the month. So not happy about that, but here we go.
Order submitted.
I don't know what I was doing here, honestly. I don't know why I was getting in for a short. I actually don't know why. Um, yeah, I don't know why I was getting in for a short. I actually don't know what I was thinking here, if I'm being honest. But I think I took a
Order
loss on
canceled.
this trade. Oh, so place my sell limit order here. I actually
Order
I don't know what
filled.
to say. I don't know why I took this trade. I think I was trying to take it for this. Uh, because I'm looking back at it now and I'm like, why the fuck would I take this trade? For what reason? There's no reason for me to take this trade. And then it stopped us
Stop
out.
filled.
And then I think when I cut it to the next clip, I tried to get back in. Like I just tried because it was a second entry short, but I got
Order
in. I
filled.
remember this. I got in and I wasn't fast enough to put my target,
Target filled.
and it got us out. And then I missed that whole move. I missed this whole entire move, which is pretty annoying. And then, oh yeah, that's right. Here, my NinjaTrader broke. Like, it just straight up broke. It froze on me, and I missed out on that whole entire move. So that was pretty annoying. See, I even tried to get back in onto NinjaTrader, and it just broke on me. So I uninstalled it and reinstalled it, and then I think it finally worked. But this pissed me off for a Monday. Pissed me the hell off. Oh, and then as you can see on the Thinkorswim chart, if we got in, yeah, fucking, it would have gotten us pretty good, decent amount of money. Yeah, this week, man, was just stressful, bro. Stressful. So yeah, I finally got it back to working, and I think I chased this. I chased this trade. Oh, actually, did I get filled here? I think I did get filled here. I got filled here. I placed it at break even or a tick under my profit target, and then I think it filled us in. Oh wait, no, this is a completely different trade. My fault. This is a completely different trade. We broke out of this channel, and then we started a reverse EMA's cross. Second entry short came in, got in, and then it rewarded us because we missed this other trade. Let's see here. It's gonna take us out. Come on, get us filled. Get us filled. And I was like, oh hell nah. And then it finally got us in.
Target filled.
Target filled, so that was cool. It rewarded us because we missed the first trade, and obviously, since we missed, if we didn't miss the first trade, it would have been a good day. Um, that was pretty good. So March 18th, I think I was getting in for a second entry short here because a setup was happening and we needed to test this low right here, where that one
Order
is.
filled.
We got in. And then I put my stop at a tick under our profit entry, or a tick under our entry, and I think it's got us out. Oh wait, no, I was playing with it. I was like, you know what? Nah, this trade's gonna work out. Like, I know it was gonna work out. And then I was still moving it. I was still moving it. I was like, I don't want to get stopped out because nine times out of 10, every time I did that, it would get me out. But this time I was being patient, and I was like, I need to stay afloat as much as possible. So I was fine if I got stopped out a tick above my entry point. But the trade worked out. So I finally put it back. And then it kept reversing back up. I put it back above a tick above my entry, and the market was playing with me. And I finally put it there, put it back in my safe spot. And then this was crazy, bro. Too many emotions were going through my head. Watch this. I'm skipping it real quick. Boom, instant reverse up. I was like, oh hell nah. Like look how much it reversed up. And then it finally got us out, thank God. So that trade worked out pretty good if it gets us out here. So two wins back to back this week.
Target filled.
Bam, target filled. March 19th, I was going in for a long here. I think it got us in. Yeah, got us in here. It was a perfect 1-to-1 risk to reward. But this, oh yeah, today was FOMC, March 19th. It was FOMC. So, I mean, like you could trade FOMC, but for me personally, I like to show up every day and trade and try to trade no matter what, because you never know what you can get out of it. And I followed my rules here perfectly. You know, first entry long, second entry long, right off here. EMA was supporting, so there was really nothing wrong to take this trade. I was full in on this trade. And we got chopped up a bit. We got chopped up a little bit. I'm trying to fast forward here. And I was waiting for it to get closer to my target to place my stop in my safe zone, but it just took us out. I think it took us out right here. So that was one trade for that day, because on FOMCs, I usually try to stop trading around 12. And yeah, it was 10:30, and I was still waiting for a trade at around like 11. But when 12 hit, I stopped. There was no other trades for me. Actually, no, my fault. There was another trade I did take. It lowered my loss. Where did it get us out? I think it got us out right here.
Stop filled.
Yep, got us out right there. And then, so same thing, March 19th. I got in, like, this was a stupid trade, like a dumb trade, but it worked out in our favor. I was like, oh no, like, look at that risk and reward, bro. That's stupid, like, dumb stupid. But it worked out in our favor. So let's see if it hits us here. I don't want to skip too much because I'll fuck up the playback. This is like a dumb trade that I should have not taken. Yeah, it was 10:39, but it did work. It did work.
Target filled.
So target filled, lowered our loss for that day, and that was it. So that was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now I did not, like I said, I did not trade Thursday. So here's me live trading Friday, and get ready to see one massive mistake that set us back for the month. Not happy about it, but here you go. All right, good morning, everyone. Man, I just woke up. Did not wake up at 5:30 like I usually do, but it's all good. We're here. I'm locked in anyway, and we got 5 minutes till market opens. I didn't trade yesterday because I had to take some renewal class at work, but I did miss out on a lot of money. I was looking at it on my phone, and I was like, damn, I had to be at work at 9 and didn't get out there till 12, which was bullshit. So there was no way I was gonna trade right when I got home in the middle of the day. So kind of upset about that. But hopefully we could make up for not trading yesterday and have a good day today and end the week off good. Because so far this month we're doing pretty good. Knock on wood. And yeah, got 4 minutes left. Let's get right into it. Oh, before market opens, actually, it's gonna open in 2 minutes, but want to show you. This was yesterday. This was yesterday's action, and then here's today. As you can see, these are only 2 trades that I found from yesterday that we could have gotten into. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Let's get right into it. Let's review real quick. Right here, break in the channel. Right here, first entry short, second entry short, and the EMAs were just about across, but we had a good signal bar, and this bar made the EMAs not cross, so we definitely would have taken that all the way down. Missed an 11.50 move. 11.50 move, and then we missed out on a 3.25 move, which is right here. Actually, where is it? Yeah, breakout channel, first entry short, second entry short, off EMA, and retested the low. So missed out on decent money, but we're here now. And did the market just open? No, we got 10 seconds. We might have missed it, but fuck, dude. This is a good entry. First entry long, second entry long. I might get in and retest one of these highs over here. We just need to pull back, bro. Even though we didn't break out the channel, I'm willing to risk that. I'm willing to risk retesting this high if we're bouncing. But we're fucking shooting up, bro. I wasn't paying attention. Let's see if we could pull back here and get in. That's so annoying.
Order filled.
Give me that. Could have gone him too, but
Stop filled.
wow. Fuck.
Order filled.
Break that high. There you go. Broke that high. Now we should be getting movement here. How much were we?
Stop filled.
Bro, that's crazy work. What the fuck was that, bro? What in the fuck was that? Like, what just happened? What news came out? Who's talking? Who's speaking?
Order filled.
Pretty good, pretty good. Picking up here, bro. Like, one of those Fridays, man. This is gonna be my last trade. Bullshit. This is fucked.
Stop filled.
What the fuck was that? Dude, who is talking? Who is talking inside the who is talking, bro? Now watch, it's gonna get me in. It's gonna do what it needs to do. What in the fuck is this bullshit, bro? What the fuck was that? That was complete manipulation, dude. Oh my god. Bro, I've never seen such like disgusting. It's disgusting.
Order submitted.
This might be a bad idea, bro.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I did not mean to do this at all. Fuck. Bro, this is horrible. This is so bad. This was nuts. That was not supposed to happen. I'm stuck now, bro. Not what I wanted to happen. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my fucking goodness. Dude, I'm stuck. There's nothing for me to do. I'm stuck in this position now. Now this is all luck. This is all luck for us right now. I don't know what to do. I can't do anything. I have to get stopped out. I have to, bro. That was the most craziest thing ever. This is exactly like what was going on last week. I have to get stopped out. Unless we instantly reverse. Dude, oh no. I'm hurt. I'm hurt, dude. I have to walk away.
Stop filled.
Oh my god. Dude, history fucking repeats itself. This was crazy, dude. Crazy. I'm so fucking upset that just fucking happened. You can't control that. Like, you just can't fucking control any of the conditions that we're in, but history fucking repeats itself. 2 Fridays in a row, the worst price action ever. I honestly don't know what to say. I followed all my rules. I did everything that I was supposed to do, but when I got into that other trade on accident because price was going crazy, dude, you can't control that. What the fuck? I am so upset. I'm so fucking upset, but that's my bullshit for the week, bro. This is nonsense. For the month, oh, I can't show for the month, but until next week. But dude, that was just dumbest shit ever. Stupid fucking shit. Oh my god, bro. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I know I'm gonna have a terrible fucking weekend, dude. That was bullshit. See y'all later.